A while back, I noticed something that immediately got my attention. My TPT traffic was dropping. And honestly, my first reaction was probably the same as yours would be: panic. Now, I've been selling on TPT for more than 17 years and consistently remain among the top sellers on the platform. So you'd think I know exactly what was happening. I didn't. I immediately started asking myself, do I need better SEO? Do I need more products? Did the algorithm change? But after digging into the data, I realized something important. Traffic is a symptom, not a diagnosis. When traffic drops, most sellers immediately start looking for answers. And usually they start with assumptions. They assume the problem is the algorithm, increased competition, seasonal changes, AI, TPT. Sometimes they're right, but often they're not. The challenge is that traffic can decline for many different reasons. A product may lose rankings. Search demand may change. Competition may increase. Or buyers may simply be behaving differently than they were a year ago. Traffic tells you something changed. It doesn't tell you what changed. In my own store, I've seen traffic shift over time. I've seen products gain visibility, and I've seen products lose visibility. And recently, I discovered that I had lost 82 first page keyword rankings. That helped explain some of the traffic changes I was seeing, but it also reminded me of something important. The traffic itself wasn't the problem. The traffic was pointing me toward the problem. That's a very different way of thinking about it. Here's the mistake I see sellers make all the time. Traffic drops, and they immediately start changing everything. They update dozens of listings, they rewrite titles, they create more products, they chase every new strategy they can find. But activity isn't the same as progress. Before making changes, you need to understand why traffic changed in the first place. Otherwise, you're just guessing. This is one of the core ideas behind the simple framework. Every symptom points to something: traffic, sales, conversion, visibility. None of those metrics exist in isolation. They are clues. The goal isn't to react to the symptom. The goal is to identify the constraint creating the symptom. Once you understand that, your decisions become much clearer. If your traffic has declined recently, ask yourself, what evidence do I have that traffic actually changed? What products were affected? Did rankings change? Did search behavior change? Start looking for patterns before looking for solutions. If you're not sure which system is currently limiting growth in your own store, download the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder found below in the description. It will help you identify the biggest constraints so you can focus on the right improvements. When traffic stops, many sellers respond by working harder. They spend more time creating, more time updating, more time managing. But what happens when you're working harder than ever and still not seeing the growth you want? That's exactly what we're going to talk about in the next video. Why you're working more, but growing less. I will see you in the next video.